Okay, guys. Good afternoon, good evening, good morning, depending on where you are listening from or where you are watching this video from. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we are going to be looking at how to create the L-shaped house, and here is how we're going to do it. So once you're on a 3D SketchUp, what you do first is to create this rectangle. You create the first rectangle using that rectangle tool. Then you create the second rectangle, and you are going to make sure you align both edges. They must be on the same line. The edge of the first rectangle and the edge of the second rectangle. Thereafter, you select the eraser and remove that line in between the two rectangle. So the next thing you want to do right now is to use the push and pull tool to pull this up. Here we have converted it into 3D. Then you can use the orbit to view it to your own view, to the best angle, to the angle of your choice. Next up, we're going to use the pencil tool to draw straight lines. The first straight line from there to there, you stop over there, then you draw another one from that point to the edge of the second rectangle. Okay. After that, here is the magic. You will click on the first line, hold the shift key. You click on the second line. Both lines should be blue. All right, so once you've done that, you are going to adjust and select your best view. Then use the move tool to move both lines up at the same time. Both lines have been selected. All right, so you need to use the move tool to move it up. You move it up so that you have this kind of shape here. Okay, so once you have done this, you have been able to achieve this shape of this house. Okay, the next thing you want to do is to go around the building, go around the 3D building and see for yourself. You can add details. Okay, you can use the pencil tool to join other edges. For example, this point to this point, you can join that. Okay, you can also use we're going to do that later. So we can also use that pencil to join this point and that point to make that look like a real roof. That's really good. All right, then what else are we going to do right now? So we are going to make sure we use the move or the pull and push rather to push those things inward. Those the side of the building, we are going to push them inward, and you can see that we have our real roof. We have our roof for real. So we're going to push them in. Push this one in. Push it in. Good. Once you push that in, then you cannot talk about maybe applying colors and doing every other thing to the house. So you can push this part in as well. Put that in, you push it in. Okay, so next up, you use that same orbit tool. You can use it to go around the building. You can use it to go around the building and see for yourself, see how your building looks like from behind, and see how it looks like from the front of the building. So you can create your door there, okay, using that same rectangle tool. Next up, you're going to use the push and pull tool to put that inside. So that is really looking like a real door. Okay, You could put window, you could color your roofs. You can give it any color you want to give it. All right, you can color your roof. You can color the main building itself with another color. Okay, let's say you want to use color yellow to paint the building. So you can do that. All right, you can do everything you want to do here. So in our next video, we're going to add more details to the house. Thank you.